So welcome in a video in which I'm going to possibly save you money on how you can pay less and get cheaper the EE plan. And this is what you can do. So to get a cheaper plan, so request a pack code and inform the retention team you are leaving for a competitor. So we want to actually to call the EE and actually call them, is that I want to leave, what you can offer me. And they can literally reduce your plan to much lower. Now, I was working in the retail as representative, we were doing this, but then this was like a different provider, but then they canceled our retention. So you want to actually ask for the retention, okay? So the pack mode method, and also you want to check out the competitors from Ski Mobile, Lebara, or IP Mobile and ask EE to match them. Now, also, if you are going to want the best deals, they are great for near the end of the contract. So, or during the special sales periods like Black Friday or March. And you can also change the switch to EE, MV, and OS. So consider providers that use the EE network but are cheaper, such as 1P Mobile, Spusu, or PlusNet. So this is something that you can 1P Mobile. This is something that you can actually check out for yourself, and you would have it cheaper, maybe. And also we want to ask for retention deals. So this is something that you can actually try. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day.